Now in the third part we have the teacher tells the class that the highest marks obtained by a student in her class is twice the lowest marks plus 7. So here highest marks is given in terms of lowest marks. So here suppose if we consider the lowest score, say 10, okay. Suppose the lowest score is 10 and it is said that the highest score is twice the lowest marks. Twice means double the lowest marks. So what will be the highest score? So highest score will be double of the lowest score. Double of lowest score means 10 multiplied by 2. Double means will be multiplied by 2, and then it is said that plus 7. So it will be this, right? And it is said that high score is 87. So in this place if you write 87, then what will be the equation? 87 will be equal to the lowest score multiplied by 2 to be, and 7 to be added with that, right? Now let's start. So here it is said that the lowest score to be L. So we'll consider the lowest score be L. Here we have considered the lowest score be 10 and here we have considered the lowest score be L. Now what will be the highest score? Now highest score is twice the lowest marks. Twice means double the lowest marks. So it is 10 multiplied by 2. Now in this place of 10 we have L because we have considered L as the lowest score. So it will be 2 multiplied by L, right? And then it is said that plus 7. So 2L plus 7. Now according to the question, high score is given which is 87. So according to the question, in place of highest score we can put 87. So the equation will be 12 plus 7, which is the highest score, and highest score is given which is 87. So 12 plus 7 will be equal to 87. So this will be the equation, right? So this was part number 3. Now coming to part number 4. Now in the next part we have, in an isosceles triangle, the vertex angle is twice either base angle. Suppose this is our isosceles triangle. Okay, let's name it as A, B and C, in which AB is equals to AC. Now if the sides are equal, then angle opposite to equal sides are also equal. This angle B is equals to angle C. Okay. Now in an isosceles triangle, the vertex angle, this is called vertex angle. Okay. Vertex angle is twice either base angle. So these are the base angle. Now let the base angle be B in degrees. Now if this is angle B, if this, here it is said that the base angle be B in degrees. So if this is B degree, then see this angle C is also B degree. Why? Because these two angles are equal. If angle B is B degree, then angle C also will be B degree, right? And it is said that vertex angle is twice. Twice means double of base angle. So if base angle is B degree, then vertex angle will be 2B degree, right? So we'll write, it is said that the base angle, so let the base of each angle be B degree. Okay, and what will be the vertex angle then? Vertex angle will be 2B degree. Why? Because it is said that vertex angle is twice either the base angle. So base angle we have considered as B degree. So if the base angle is B degree, then vertex angle will be twice, means double of the base angle. So it will be 2B degree. Now according to the question, see, remember that the sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. What we know that if in a triangle, this see angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 180 degree. Why? Because this is the angle sum property of a triangle. So we'll write the reason. This is angle sum property of a triangle. Okay. because we know that the sum of angle in a triangle is always 180 degree. Now angle A is 2b degree, so we'll put 2b degree here. Now angle B is b degree, so we'll put b degree, and angle C is also b degree, so we'll put b degree is equals to 180 degree. Now see, these all are like term, so we can add all this. Now how will you add? So coefficient of b is 2, here coefficient of b is 1, and here nothing means 1, here coefficient is nothing. With b we don't have anything, so we'll consider as 1. So 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, and then we'll write the variable also. So it's 4b degree is equals to 180 degree. So this is our equation. Okay, so this was all about question number 3 and 4. Thank you, students.